Your business runs on servers in one region. One outage can cause hours of downtime and lost revenue. Multi-region architecture spreads infrastructure across the globe, like US East and EU West, to prevent this. But physics limits you. Network latency between US East and EU West is about 80 milliseconds round-trip. Disaster recovery requires fast failover, with DNS changes taking 30 to 60 seconds. The challenge? Design a system that balances high availability with these physical and operational realities. Two main models: active-passive and active-active. Active-passive is simpler. One region, say US East, handles all traffic. Another, EU West, stays on standby with replicated data. If the primary fails, DNS redirects traffic in 30 to 60 seconds. Disaster recovery without distributed write complexity. Active-active allows both regions to serve traffic simultaneously, reducing latency. Users connect to the nearest region, and both accept writes. But this is complex. Netflix runs active-active across 3 AWS regions, and spent years building custom tooling. Start with active-passive. Scale to active-active only if latency demands it. Data consistency is critical across regions separated by 40 to 120 milliseconds of latency. How do you keep data in sync? Single leader replication is simplest. Writes go to one primary region, replicated asynchronously to secondaries. Risk: if the primary fails, you might lose recent writes. Multi-leader allows writes in multiple regions, but conflict resolution is needed. Default is last write wins, which can silently drop data. For specific cases, CRDTs like counters merge automatically without coordination. On routing, DNS-based systems with health checks every 10 to 30 seconds direct users to the nearest healthy region. Set DNS TTLs to 60 seconds for faster failover, though some clients may cache longer. Beyond technology, legal and cost factors shape your design. Data sovereignty laws like GDPR may require EU data to stay in the EU, but it's nuanced. You can transfer data under agreements, though many companies keep it local to avoid legal overhead. China's PIPL adds constraints, forcing per-table routing decisions. Cost-wise, multi-region roughly doubles infrastructure spend, 2 to 2.5 times your single-region budget, and adds 30 to 40% operational overhead due to complexity. Use chaos engineering to test failures. Match architecture to SLAs. Single region with availability zones gives 99.95% uptime. Active-passive targets 99.99%. And active-active aims for 99.999%. Start with active-passive, plan for compliance, budget for overhead, and test failover regularly.